Hey everyone, welcome to the feed Mzansi, your go-to spot for the latest updates. If you enjoy staying up to date, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. So guys, do you believe this matter could have been prevented despite the 5 protection orders? New details have emerged in the matter of Warwick's dog, popularly known as DJ Waras. According to reports, DJ Waras had obtained 5 protection orders against individuals who had allegedly threatened him prior to his death. CCTV footage captured the moments leading up to the fatal shooting outside Zambezi House in Johannesburg CBD. Police now believe the killing was a targeted hit, allegedly linked to Warwick's involvement in reclaiming a hijacked building on behalf of its rightful owner. Authorities have confirmed that the individuals named in the protection orders are known to law enforcement and will be questioned as investigations continue. As more information becomes available, we'll bring you verified updates. If you want to stay informed, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.